Hello everyone, this is my first self-made video like this, so please excuse me if it's not as good as something that Liberty and Lola would put together, but I'll do my best and we'll see how it goes. A customer contacted me, having issues with the geothermal system in their house. The system utilizes refrigerant to both heat and cool. So the first thing that I noticed when I came down here with the heat on is that the compressor was not running. When I noticed the compressor was not running, I hooked up gauges and noticed that the pressure was really low on it, indicating a low charge. After performing a leak check on the internal refrigeration piping in this cabinet and noting no significant leaks, decided to recharge the system. So the compressor was not running at all. Together with the homeowner, we forced the compressor to run while having the refrigerant bottle hooked up to it. Charged the system up to the acceptable pressure for R22. Got it to about 58 psi on the low side, and it's been running like this for probably half an hour. One night this week, it was 58 degrees inside their house because the compressor wasn't running. It wasn't pushing refrigerant through to heat the home. And right now, if you stick your hand in front of the vent, it's pretty toasty. So they're going to be comfortable for the rest of the winter time, and moving into the summertime they're going to be able to keep cool. That's why we're out here doing this. Have a great day, guys. Bye.